Today, let's introduce this 4-in-1 electric tablet press. This machine adopts turbo drive, which ensures excellent performance and stability during operation while minimizing noise. The red switch on the device controls clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, differentiated into 1 and 2, and can be adjusted according to work needs. The mechanical rotating rod above the machine controls the opening size of the press roller to adapt to different sizes of materials. This device can press materials into 4 different shapes: semicircular, circular, flat, and square, allowing for diverse DIY choices based on your needs. So now let's connect it to the power supply and see how it performs in practice, as well as what precautions to take. First, compress the space of the scroll shaft downward. The video uses a circular copper wire, so first adjust the size of the device's scroll shaft to match the copper wire. Ensure it's tight after locking, then you can retrieve the material, and this completes the preparation. Now turn on the power and adjust to setting 1 starting from clockwise. Now switch to second gear counterclockwise to try it, paying special attention not to wear gloves when operating the equipment to avoid being drawn into the machine and causing injury. So far, the effect of the suppression presented is still very good. This electric tablet press is very suitable for jewelers and jewelry studios. It brings great convenience and helps us save a lot of tedious processes, saving time, and the internal power is turbo-driven, which can be equipped with us for a long time. So this episode of the video is here. See you next time.